here are the cookies.
Hi guys, ready for another unboxing? Let's check it out.
This baking set comes with different trays. One of them is for cupcakes. This one is for like a banana bread. I think is perfect. Small round cake. A square tray that I think will work perfect for brownies. This one is a bigger tray that I think is also perfect for cooking, not only baking. As you can see, it's very well made. It comes with a globe, a silicone spatula, a sponge, silicone trays that are reusable, perfect size for the cupcake tray. And here are all of the items that come in the box. All of these items come perfectly wrapped in an anti-scratch that helps rotate all of the items. Here I'm going to give a try to the bigger tray, and I'm just going to bake some cookies that are already pre-made. So this is easy job. I'm just putting all it out on the tray, and here are the cookies. As you can see, they do not stick into the tray. It works perfect. And then I'm going to put the cookies on the rack to wait for them to get into the nice temperature to be able to eat them.